Imagine trying to teach a machine not just to read, but to see, to reason, and even to hallucinate with purpose. Our story begins with the secret sauce of modern AI, self-attention. For years, machines read text one word at a time, often forgetting the beginning of a sentence by the time they reached the end, but the transformer changed everything by allowing every word to look at every other word simultaneously. But why stop at words? Researchers soon realized that if you chop an image into tiny patches, the transformer could treat those patches like visual words. This gave birth to the vision transformer, proving that a machine could understand a picture of a teddy bear using the exact same logic it uses to understand a poem. The plot thickens with the arrival of digital reasoning. We used to just want AI to autocomplete our sentences, but now we want it to think. By using reinforcement learning, essentially giving the AI a reward for being helpful and a penalty for being wrong, we taught models to show their work. Instead of just jumping to an answer, they now generate a chain of thought, reasoning through a math problem just like a student would on a chalkboard. But even a thinking machine has limits. It only knows what it was taught during its schooling or pre-training. To solve this, we gave AI a library and a toolbox. Through retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, the AI can look up real-time information it wasn't trained on. And through tool calling, it can actually step out of its text box to run code or check a calendar. The final chapter of our story looks at the future, diffusion. While most AIs write one word at a time, new diffusion-based models are learning to create text all at once, starting with a cloud of noise and gradually refining it into a perfect sense. It's a faster, more creative way to generate language that could make the AI of tomorrow 10 times quicker than what we have today. As we close the book on this lecture, remember that the goal isn't just to make models bigger, but to make them more efficient, more grounded, and more human-aligned.